Okay, there goes the Camaro off to the auction. We're through with it. Quite a few interesting vehicles in here. Let's look around before we leave. They in here wiping them down. Nice little 68 Camaro. We got new cars, old cars. We even got the Batmobile. Now, I like that. I don't think I can afford it. There I come right there. I want that Challenger. I like that red convertible Challenger. Let's see. I might better get out of here before I wind up wanting to buy something. Let's just take a quick look and see what's in here that we might like. Pace car Corvette. Nice early 70s Formula Firebird. I do like that car. Not really a Pontiac guy, but that one looked pretty good. Let's take a quick look around here. Ford Granada. There's a flash from the past. Just don't see those. Old Mustang. I think I can live without that. Pretty nice 55 Chevy there. Have no idea what that is. That one of them boat cars? Amphicar? I don't think so. Let's see what's interesting over here. There's a 442 Oldsmobile Bubble. Nice Buick Riviera. Thunderbird. Another 442, another 55 Chevy. Nice 57 Chevy convertible. And I do like that Chevelle. Pretty nice. There's my Camaro. I hope it does well. 75 Rally Sport, freshly done. We just finished it up a while back. That is number 60 on Saturday. So I'll have to come by here Saturday and nod my head yes or no. Pretty nice Camaro there. Let's see what else we see. Another Chevelle here, looks like a 68 or 69. Not bad. It's a nice little Nova Chevy 2 type thing. Good old truck. Monte Carlo. Another fairly nice truck right there. Big block. Power brakes. Little old Dart. So far I haven't seen anything that I can't live without other than that Challenger that came in the door. I'm not really crazy about convertibles, to be honest with you. I like a convertible with the top up and the air conditioning on. A couple of nice Thunderbirds there. There's another blast from the past, a Gremlin. I don't know how popular those are, but that's a decent looking one. Let's keep looking. Grand Sport, Grand National, what they call these? Grand Grand National. I tell you what, those were just little old V6 cars, but they were turbo, and they would flat out surprise you. There's a nice pace car, 69. Super nice SS Camaro. I'm not really crazy about the houndstooth interior. Tilt wheel automatic, that is a nice car. Gonna imagine that'll get on up on the money there. Nice little old Volkswagen there. All right, let's head back to the door and get back to work. Can't afford to come up here and goof off and play all day. I think that's about all I see that's interesting to me in here right now. Oh, I was wrong. There's two cars here I want. I sure like that TA Challenger. And I like that long-nosed Charger right there too. What's up, bro? That guy there's a friend of mine. All right, we'll come back when it's crunch time. Well, this is a pretty nice Corvette. I like these years. Small block. Looks to be a factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes car. 327, nothing exciting, but looks to be a really nice restoration. It's not a split window. Personally, I don't like the split windows. I like the convertibles in these years. But like I say, I don't like taking the top down. Early model GTO there. Looks like a 64 or 5. So let's go see who's spending money and how they're spending it up here. I mean, we got old backyard hot rods here. Some nice cars, some newer cars. Little red express truck. That looks like a candy color. I don't know if that's a true candy. I believe it is. I believe that's a colored base with a tinted clear, which is what true candy is. This thing ran yesterday and didn't bring what they wanted, so I think he's paid to run it again today. I'm hoping today's the good day. I always thought that roof was neat on these old Buick wagons. So let's go up here and see what they're doing. All of these people in the seats have buyer passes. And nothing on the auction block right now. The line is a little bit held up, it looks like. So they don't drive them, they pull them with golf carts. So let's see what's next. They got a nice Chevelle up on the...
Okay, boys, get on next. How would you look coming here, number 4? All right, here we go with the car. The man's got the lead, so we're going to get his car first. He said he caught his wife in bed with another man, and he'd like to get down there and kill her.
Oh, boy.
He's going to give the man a few hundred, I think. That's a true story. You were missing when the 30.
They must be cutting one in line or something. This is how they do it. Pulling them through with golf carts. Let's go see what's in line. I'm not really interested in the anything other than the classic muscle cars. And there's our Malden City Inspector right there. So we see him quite often. I'm gonna have to direct him to go down there and buy my car. I do like this 68 or actually 67 Camaro SS. Not sure if it's a real SS or a badged up tribute. Looks like a crate motor, one of those 572s or something, but maybe that's just the valve covers.
I'm hooked to an 80 Corvette down here.
No power steering, but we have power brakes. And it is a 4-speed car.